Let's talk lettuce. Yes, that humble salad staple that can elevate your garden game. Growing your own lettuce isn't just for hardcore horticulturists. It's for anyone who loves fresh, crisp greens that taste a million times better than store-bought. Plus, it's ridiculously easy and fun. Imagine plucking leaves straight from your garden for your meals. Pretty cool, right? Stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know about planting lettuce seeds, from picking the perfect variety to ensuring a bountiful harvest. Grab your gardening gloves and let's get those seeds in the ground. Trust me, your salads are about to get a whole lot fresher and tastier. Choosing the right lettuce variety is key to getting the most out of your garden, whether you're looking for quick-growing greens or robust heads for your salads. Let's break down the main types of lettuce and their best uses. Leaf lettuce includes varieties like green leaf, red leaf, and oak leaf. They grow in loose clusters rather than forming a tight head. The major advantage of leaf lettuce is its fast growth and ability to be harvested leaf by leaf, providing a continuous supply. This makes it perfect for salads, sandwiches, and wraps, and ideal for gardeners who want quick results and multiple harvests throughout the season. Romaine lettuce is known for its tall, sturdy leaves and crunchy texture, making it a popular choice for Caesar salads and grilling. Romaine is more heat tolerant than other varieties, making it suitable for warmer climates and extending its growing season. Use romaine for hearty salads, lettuce wraps, and even grilled as a unique side dish. Butterhead lettuce, which includes Boston and Bibb lettuces, forms loose heads with soft, buttery leaves. Its tender texture and mild sweet flavor make it a favorite for delicate dishes and gourmet meals. Butterhead lettuce is ideal for salads, sandwiches, and as a garnish. Crisphead lettuce, best known through the iceberg variety, forms tight, crunchy heads. Valued for its crisp texture and mild flavor, crisphead lettuce has a longer shelf life compared to other types. It's perfect for adding crunch to salads and burgers, though it's less nutrient-dense than other varieties. When selecting lettuce seeds, quality matters. Always buy seeds from reputable suppliers like Johnny's Selected Seeds, Burpee, and Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, which offer high-quality seeds with good germination rates. Choose varieties suited to your climate and growing conditions. For instance, heat-tolerant varieties like romaine are ideal for warmer areas, while butterhead and leaf lettuce excel in cooler climates. Look for disease-resistant varieties to avoid common issues like downy mildew and lettuce mosaic virus. If you prefer organic gardening, many suppliers offer organic seed options grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, making them a great choice for sustainable gardening. Now that you've picked the type of lettuce you want to grow, let's talk site preparation. Lettuce loves well-draining, fertile soil that can hold moisture without becoming waterlogged. Start by testing your soil's pH level. Lettuce prefers a pH between 6 and 7. You can get a soil testing kit from a garden center or send a sample to a local extension service for analysis. Once you know your soil's pH, amend it if necessary. If the pH is too low, acidic, add lime to raise it. If it's too high, alkaline, incorporate sulfur to lower it. Next, enhance your soil's fertility and structure by adding compost. Compost is a fantastic source of organic matter, which improves soil texture, aeration, and nutrient content. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of compost over your garden bed and work it into the top, 6 to 8 inches of soil. This process not only enriches the soil, but also encourages beneficial microbial activity, which is essential for healthy plant growth. Ensure proper aeration by loosening the soil with a garden fork or tiller. This step is crucial because well-aerated soil allows roots to penetrate easily and access nutrients and water. Choosing the right location for planting your lettuce is equally important. Lettuce grows best in full sun to partial shade, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. However, in hotter climates, some afternoon shade can prevent the plants from bolting, going to seed prematurely. If garden space is limited, consider container gardening. Containers offer flexibility and can be placed in optimal sun positions or moved to avoid harsh afternoon sun. Use pots with good drainage and fill them with high-quality potting mix. This method not only saves space but also allows you to control soil conditions more precisely. Now, should you sow indoors or directly outdoors? Starting your lettuce seeds indoors can give you a head start on the growing season. This method allows you to control the environment, ensuring that your seedlings get the best start possible. By sowing indoors, you can begin planting earlier in the season, especially if you live in a region with a shorter growing period. Use seed trays or small pots filled with a good seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep, cover lightly with soil, and keep them moist. Place the trays in a sunny spot or undergrow lights to ensure they get enough light. Direct sowing in the garden or containers is a straightforward approach that works well once the soil has warmed up. Scatter the seeds thinly, then cover them with a thin layer of soil, about 1/4 inch deep. This method works well for those who prefer a no-fuss approach and can be particularly effective in regions with mild climates. With either method, proper planting depth and spacing are crucial for healthy lettuce growth. Plant the seeds at a depth of about 1/4 inch. For leaf varieties, space the seeds 4 to 6 inches apart. This spacing allows enough room for the plants to spread and ensures good air circulation, which helps prevent disease. For head varieties like romaine or butterhead, increase the spacing to 10 to 12 inches apart to give each plant ample room to form a full head. Keeping the soil consistently moist is essential for successful lettuce germination and growth. Lettuce seeds need moisture to sprout, but too much water can lead to waterlogging and rot. Use a gentle watering method, such as a fine mist from a spray bottle or a watering can with a rose attachment to avoid displacing the seeds. Water the soil thoroughly after planting and keep it evenly moist, but not soggy, until the seeds germinate and the seedlings are established. Regularly check the moisture level and water as needed to maintain consistent soil conditions. Let's talk about some things you can do to help your lettuce plants thrive. Thinning is an essential step to prevent overcrowding and ensure each plant has enough space to grow. Overcrowded seedlings compete for nutrients, water, and light, leading to weak plants and reduced yields. Once your seedlings have developed their first true leaves, thin them out to the recommended spacing. For leaf varieties, thin seedlings to 4 to 6 inches apart. For head varieties, such as romaine and butterhead, thin them to 10 to 12 inches apart. Carefully snip or pull out the weaker seedlings to give the remaining plants room to thrive. Don't forget to watch for pests and diseases, which can significantly affect your crop. Common pests include aphids, slugs, snails, and cutworms. To manage these pests organically, you can use methods such as hand picking, introducing beneficial insects, like ladybugs for aphids, and using barriers like copper tape for slugs and snails. Diatomaceous earth sprinkled around the base of the plants can also deter crawling pests. Diseases such as downy mildew, lettuce mosaic virus, and bottom rot can affect lettuce. To minimize disease risk, practice crop rotation and avoid planting lettuce in the same spot year after year. Ensure proper spacing to improve air circulation and reduce humidity around the plants. If diseases do appear, remove and destroy affected plants promptly to prevent the spread. Fungicides and other chemical treatments should be used as a last resort and according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Remember, the key to successful gardening is consistent care and attention. So, get out there, plant those seeds, and watch your garden thrive. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more gardening tips and tutorials. And don't forget to share your own lettuce growing experiences and tips in the comments below. Happy gardening!